What's up guys, it's Kaini here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a little bit excited for today's video because I'm going to do a creative makeup look challenge. I wouldn't say it's a challenge, but it kind of seems like it is. It's a makeup look tutorial as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cosmetic products that I've received from Malaysia's Etude House as a Sweet Generation 2.0 member to create a butterfly on my face. Well, it sounds more like face art, but it's still a challenge anyways because I'm going to use their lip products to create the butterfly on my face. I hope Etude House won't mind that I'm going to use these to create the butterfly look, but I'm just going to go creative anyways. If you're interested to know how I'm going to do the butterfly look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off my makeup using the Blossom Picnic Glow On Hydra base. Then I'm just going to apply a little bit on my hand and then just going to tap it on my face. Gently tap it for better absorption, and I'm going to apply it on my neck as well. So after I'm done with applying the Glow On Hydra base, I'm going to use Etude House Face Liquid Blur. You know, this is a really good product because it helps you to cover the blemishes and the acne scars because I have a lot on my face. You can see right here. You can use this product to cover all of these because it helps to blur out the pores, the acne scars, and the blemishes. Then next I'm going to use the Etude House Big Cover Tip Concealer under the Beige shade. I'm using the concealer to cover up the blemishes and underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out the concealer. Then next I'm going to use the Double Lasting Serum Foundation under the Neutral Beige shade, which is the NO4. Then with the help of using the Glow Master Brush, I'm going to just apply this product all over my face and then use the beauty blender to blend as well. Don't worry if this shade is too light. I know it's a little bit too light, like it's even lighter than my skin tone. So it is advisable to choose a shade that is lighter because this product will eventually turn darkened a little to match your original skin tone. So just choose a shade which is a little lighter than your skin tone. And also not forgetting to apply the foundation at your neck so that this gives an equal tone matching your face. So now I'm done with the foundation part. I'm just going to do my brows and I'll be back in a second. So I'm back with my brows done. The next step that I'm going to do is to apply the Play 101 stick to do contouring and highlight on my face. I'm going to apply the contour on my nose, underneath my cheekbones, jawlines, and hairlines. After that, I'm going to use a contour brush to blend the contour and the nose with my fingers. For the highlight, I'm going to apply it at the important parts of my face like my forehead, underneath my eyes, brow bones, and on top of my cheekbones. So I'm done with my contouring. I'm going to do my eyeshadow parts by using the Air Mousse Eyes under the Blossom Picnic. So right here I have the Date Picnic, Flower Road, and the Cherry Blossom Popcorn. I'm using my fingers to apply Date Picnic on all over my eyes. Then I'm also going to use the same way to apply flower road right at the outer V and inner lid. I'm using a bigger blending brush to blend out the harsh lines. Then using a brush, I'm going to apply at my lower lash line as well. I'm also going to use my finger to apply cherry blossom popcorn and tap it on top of my crease to give shiny glitter effect. I'm going to draw the line on my upper lash line using a black eyeliner. Next, I'm going to curl out my lashes before applying mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Curl Fix mascara under the black shade. So right now it's time for me to start doing the creative makeup part. And the creative part of this makeup is that I'm going to use the lip products from Etude House to create butterfly on my face here. And it's no joke, I'm really going to use the lip products given by Etude House. The three products here are the Colorful Vivid Tint and the Blossom Matte Chic Lip Lacquer. So we are going to start right now. To start off with the butterfly drawing, I always use white eyeliner to do the outlines so that it's easier for me to fill in the colors. I recommend using white eyeliner rather than the black liner to do the outline, since the art on the face wouldn't look too harsh and it's easier to blend in together with other colors. I'm also going to add in a flower outline beneath the butterfly. Then using Blossom Technique's Matte Chic Lip Lacquer, I'm going to use a thin brush to apply the lip lacquer from the start of the base towards the mid-dorsum of both forewings and hind wing. Next, I'm going to apply the Colorful Vivid Tint under Chubby Tomato shade. This tone is more to a bright candy apple color. I'm pulling out the color towards near the end of the wings. I'm also applying the lip products according to the sequence that I did from the wings on the flower petals as well. Then I'm using Coral Ripple from Colorful Vivid Tint, which looks more like a soft red carrot color. I'm going to fill in the remaining parts by pulling this color towards the apex and margin, which are the end of the wings. If you look closely to this product, it gives out a blurry watery texture and a kind of watercolor effect. After applying the lip products, I'm going to use face paint to finish off this look. Now I'm going to apply the Blossom Cheek Blusher under the Pink Trees shade on my left side of the cheek. To finish off with this look, I'm going to top on my lips using Coral Ripple from Colorful Vivid Tint. Not only you can use this vivid tint to create a full lip style, you can also build the color gradient according to your preference by controlling the usage intensity. So guys, I'm done with my creative makeup look challenge. And yes, the challenge is me using the lip products from Etude House, which are the Colorful Vivid Tints and the Matte Chic Lip Lacquer. It's pretty surprising how both of the lip products work well on my face. And you can even see the watercolor effect or the water refills on my butterfly here. Thus, the Colorful Vivid Tints are really suitable to create the Korean gradient lips, as it gives your lips the soft color and rich juiciness feels. So I hope you guys love the look that I did. If you like this video, please click the like button down below the video. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to watch more of my new videos in the future. And you're also welcome to follow my Instagram accounts, which are KinesteticAF and Kylective. Besides, if you have anything to ask or anything to say, please drop your comments down below the comment section and I'll respond to them as soon as I can. I'm really happy with this look and I think that's all for today's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Toodles!